Again, very welcome and swagatam in the video research journal of all at one, ffbmd in collaboration with Banauli International University and International Movie Research Center, Sursand Banauli. And in this lecture, I am going to talk about the mode of approach and research design. So, mode of approach means that manner in which research is to be carried out. It should keep the researcher on the right track and make him complete the planned work successfully. You should keep in mind that there is always room for improvement in any human endeavor, and research is no exception. Do each and every job with maximum care. If you go for endless fine-tuning, you will never finish the job on time. You have to be pragmatic in your approach and execution. One should sharpen the thinking and focus attention on the more important aspects of the study. The scientific thinking must be more formal, strict, empirical, and specific, and moreover, goal-oriented. Essentially, one must concentrate on an area of research and aim to perform better than almost anyone else. In order to make a steady progress in research and to assess the progress of the research work, a research design is very helpful. Now let's know about the research design. So first, plan your work and work your plan is the suggestion of a scientist. For a scientific research, one has to prepare a research design. It should indicate the various approaches to be used in solving the research problems, sources and information related to the problem, and the time frame and the cost budget. Essentially, the research design creates the foundation of the entire research work. The design will help perform the chosen tasks easily and in a systematic way. Once the research design is completed, the actual work can be initiated. The first step in the actual work is to learn the facts pertaining to the problem, particularly theoretical methods, numerical techniques, experimental techniques, and other relevant data and tools necessary for the present study have to be collected and learned. It is not necessary that every theory, technique, and information in the topic of the research is useful for a particular problem. A researcher has to identify and select materials which are useful to the present work. Further, the validity and utility of information gathered should be tested before using them. Scientific research is based on certain mathematical, numerical, and experimental methods. These should have to be properly studied and judged before applying them to the problem of interest. So this topic ends here, and the next topics I am going to talk about what are the possible approach to be followed by a researcher. So with this, I would like to end this topic here.